Artificial intelligence. We hear about it every single day, from ChatGPT to self-driving cars to the apps on our phones. But what actually is AI? Is it just a trendy buzzword, or is there something much deeper behind it? In this video, let's break it down in the simplest way possible, so by the end, you'll have a clear picture of what AI really means. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science of making machines think, learn, and solve problems like humans. The key difference between normal computer programs and AI is how they are built. In a traditional program, every single rule must be written by a programmer. But AI doesn't work that way. Instead of giving the machine rules, we give it data, and the AI figures out the patterns on its own. For example, instead of coding the grammar of a language step by step, we feed millions of sentences to an AI system, and it learns the rules by itself. At its core, AI is built on four main building blocks. The first is data. Data is the information the AI learns from, like thousands of cat photos or millions of sentences. The second is algorithms. These are the mathematical recipes that allow the AI to process the data. The third is training, which is the process of feeding data into the algorithm over and over until it starts recognizing patterns. And finally, the fourth is inference. This is when the AI uses what it has learned to make predictions or decisions. A simple way to understand this is to imagine AI as a student. Data is the textbook. The algorithm is the brain. Training is the studying process. And inference is when the student finally answers questions in an exam. Now, AI is not just one single thing. It comes in different levels. The first is called narrow AI, which is the kind of AI we use today. It is very good at specific tasks like recognizing faces, recommending movies, or chatting with you online. The second is general AI, which would have the same kind of intelligence as a human being, able to learn anything and solve any kind of problem. We are not there yet. And the third is called superintelligence, a futuristic idea where AI might surpass human intelligence completely. Right now, all the systems we use, including ChatGPT, are still narrow AI. But why does AI matter so much? Because it is already shaping our daily lives. AI powers Google Maps to predict traffic. It helps doctors detect diseases in X-rays and scans. It runs the recommendation engines on YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon, showing us the content we are most likely to enjoy. And more recently, AI is behind large language models, or LLMs, that can write essays, answer questions, create images, and even generate code. AI is no longer just a research concept. It's becoming one of the most important technologies driving the future of humanity. So what actually is AI? It is not magic. It is simply machines learning patterns from data and applying those patterns to solve problems. On this channel, I will be explaining AI step by step, from the basics of coding to advanced research papers to the backbone concepts like neural networks and transformers, in a way anyone can understand. If you are curious about the future of intelligence, make sure to subscribe and join me on this journey.